How to download Minecraft for free on mobile, Play Store only. Welcome to How to Mastery, your trusted channel for simple tech solutions. In this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft for free on your mobile device using only the Google Play Store, no third-party websites involved. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Minecraft Trial. You'll see an app called Minecraft Trial by Mojang. This is the official free version of Minecraft offered by the creators themselves. Tap on it and then tap Install. Wait for the download to complete. Once installed, tap Open. This trial version lets you play Minecraft for free with limited features and a time limit, but it's perfect if you want to try the game before buying the full version. If you like the experience, you can later purchase the full version directly from the Play Store, safely and officially. Important note, avoid downloading Minecraft from unknown websites or unofficial apps. They can harm your device or steal your data. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Minecraft for free, the safe and official way. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.